I think I'm recording. Well, if I am, I just bought this flashlight. Nice 1000 lumens, poly steel. It's from Coast. Oh no, there's my cat again. It is a spot floodlight. I just don't like that. I mean, like, I like it because it comes with it, but 9 of them. It's a pure beam twist focus. So yeah. Here, wait. It says that it's waterproof, drop proof, drop from ladder, crush proof, under log loaders, inspected through lines in salt water, and that's tough tested in Coast Bay, Oregon, USA. Look at that ultra view light, and then there's the bullseye. That's 10 feet at 6 feet, and it goes up to 1,051 feet. The twist focus, look at that. That's all cool. Right here, the high modes last for 11 hours. The medium at 345 lumens lasts for 24 hours. And the low mode at 98 lumens lasts for 85 hours. That's what it says at least. At 3 meters for 6 hours. That's waterproof, I'm guessing. Okay. There's a nice nasty glare. I'm gonna have to, like, this is the knife I use to open it. Alright, watch out using knives though. Here, wait. I'm gonna cut through this, I guess. There we go, look at that. This is actually pretty nice. Look at that. Look at that twist focus. I don't think you guys can see it. Alright, well, we'll test it over here. Me. Getting close. Wow, alright, well. Yeah, you see my kitchen over here. We're gonna, wow. I think that's 1,000. No. Yeah, that was medium and now this is low. Alright, this is 1,000, right? We are gonna go at, wait, real fast. Wait. Okay. I think we're gonna start off at medium mode real fast. No, that's high. That's a medium, and then that's low. Look at that. So, this flashlight cost me $40, right? That's a lot. This is the most expensive flashlight I've bought. Usually, the ones I buy are usually around $30 or less. Now this is $40. I'm gonna see how we replace batteries. So, here, wait, let me put my knife away. That's never good to do. Oh damn. It's tack force, so the knife is at least. The thing is Coast. Alright, we're about to see this. Duracell. These are the batteries it takes. This is Duracell, not for retail sale. So, I don't know if these are specifically for this one. It's alkaline, I guess. So, that's good. Yeah, this son of a gun is 9 batteries. I think that was a great idea. Damn. Here, we'll see how good it lights up the room. Here's my cap. Alright, we'll see how good it lights up the room here. You guys ready? The 1000 lumens, 350, and then the 89 lumens. Here, now let me just ignore the background. My brother's playing Mortal Kombat. He's not doing a very good job at winning. Alright. 1000 lumens. 350 lumens. And then the 89 lumens. I think this was actually, I never regret buying flashlights. Man, do I love them. Here, wait. I already showed you guys the SAM light. Yeah. We're gonna use the laser pointer. Oh, come on, Sam, follow. Oh, man. Here, wait, I'm gonna spell out something. It says subscribe and hit that dislike button, please.
What are you doing?
You. Yeah. So, that was it. And if you guys did like the video, wait. Alright. If you guys did like that video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the dislike button down below. And hit the little notification bell to become part of the Royal Squad. Or, I mean, the Resistance. I totally forgot we changed it. Oops. See you later.